Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating the binding context so the rest will work predictably. Import the core binder and instantiate it with your root element and config object. This sets scope and lifecycle. Once done, call binder. Connect to enable observation. You do this now because the first Descendant lookup depends on an active binder. Make sure to set minimal selectors and options so lookups are deterministic and fast. This reduces ambiguity when you request the first Descendant. You now perform the actual selection. Call binder. First Descendant with a CSS selector string to retrieve the first matching node. If you need tighter control, pass a scope element as the second argument so the search stays local. This prevents accidental matches elsewhere. Pay attention to whether the API returns a promise or a sync value. If it's a sync, await the result. Once you have the element, inspect attributes or bindings so you can wire events or update state. You finish by attaching handlers or performing DOM mutations on the fetched first Descendant and then verifying behavior. When the component will unmount, call binder. Clean up or disconnect to avoid leaks. If you get null or no element, check your selector specificity and ensure the scope element is correct. Sometimes dynamic rendering delays the node. As a quick troubleshooting step, enable debug logging and retry after a short timeout so you can observe selection timing and fix race conditions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.